Hello? Hello?
Stacy, just jumping.
Why are they not talking?
That's probably the creepiest thing.
Why are they? No, don't leave. Why are they not talking? Please don't leave. This is wigging me out, please. Dude, what is this? It's people, right? It's flashlights, right? Or are those orbs?
No, those are people, baby.
Why are they not talking to us when we're yelling hello? Just don't.
Because I think it's a cult.
Leave.
Leave?
Yes, go.
Am I really going?
Go. I'm telling you right now. Oh, wow. They definitely look like fucking creepy ass motherfuckers. It's like a cult.
Well, Randonautica definitely took it somewhere creepy. We're yelling hello at these people and they're not saying a word, and they just got red flashlights. This dog led us up to
There's a
bed.
yellow one, a yellow flashlight, and they just all turned off.
Go back. All them flashlights turned off. What the fuck? Please.
I don't want to fucking deal with these people out here. Well, I don't know. I don't know the area.
Am I going back or am I going forward?
Go back.
Well, at least if we're facing